Dealing with the endless cycle of painful waxing appointments, razor burn from frequent shaving, and the astronomical cost of professional laser clinics can make achieving smooth skin feel like an exhausting, uphill battle. Traditional at-home hair removal devices often fall short, either getting uncomfortably hot against your skin or lacking the raw power needed to tackle coarse, stubborn hairs. The Ulike Laser Hair Removal Device Air 10 completely rewrites the script on at-home grooming. Merging salon-grade power with revolutionary internal cooling, this state-of-the-art intense pulse light (IPL) system delivers permanent hair reduction across your entire body in fast, 10-minute sessions, providing a completely private, skin-safe, and nearly painless solution for both women and men. The defining technological leap for the Air 10 model is its patented dual light architecture. Moving far beyond traditional single-lamp devices that struggle with uneven energy distribution, the Air 10 integrates two distinct light sources working in perfect unison. This dual-beam layout expands the active treatment window by 18% and unleashes double flashes simultaneously, boosting total light efficiency by 57% and accelerating flash speeds. This means you can effortlessly cover broad areas like your legs, chest, or arms without missing spots, shortening a comprehensive full-body treatment session to just 10 minutes from head to toe. To safely obliterate the most resilient hair follicles, the device introduces an institutional-grade Ultra Super Hair Removal (USHR) mode. When toggled into this professional tier setting, the Air 10 harvests thermal energy to discharge an intense 4-pulse burst, delivering a massive 26 joules of total energy output. This deep-penetrating thermal energy targets thick, deeply rooted coarse hair found in notoriously stubborn zones, including the armpits, bikini line, and men's facial beards or chest hair, disrupting the growth cycle right at the root. Consistent use yields visible hair density and length reduction in as little as 2 weeks, clearing away thick patches that ordinary at-home hair tools leave behind. Uncompromising skin safety is woven right into the core of the chassis through an automated, intelligent skin sensor framework. Because IPL technology targets melanin and can be unsafe on deeply tanned or dark skin tones, this smart sensor continuously analyzes your skin tone before every single flash. It automatically fine-tunes the light's power intensity to match your exact skin profile, and it will immediately lock out and stop flashing if it detects an area that is too dark for safe application. Finding your personal comfort level is entirely seamless across its 4 distinct operating modes: fast for quick touch-ups, normal for general body hair, high for dense patches, and the maximum strength USHR setting. Maximum performance doesn't mean maximum discomfort thanks to Ulike's upgraded Sapphire Ice cooling technology. While standard lasers and older IPL devices emit a stinging, rubber band snap heat sensation that can irritate sensitive skin, the Air 10 integrates advanced VC liquid cooling and a dual-channel air fan system behind a genuine sapphire crystal window. This medical-grade cooling block actively forces the skin contact surface temperature down below 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.6 degrees Celsius, even during continuous 30-minute sessions. By chilling the top layer of your skin on contact, it perfectly shields your nerve endings from the thermal pulse, resulting in a soothing, refreshing, and virtually painless experience. Out of the box, this premium kit comes beautifully prepared as a luxury gift set, packed with protective safety goggles, a treatment razor, a power adapter, and a sleek leather storage case to keep your setup organized at home or on the road. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from costly clinic subscriptions, eliminate razor bumps and ingrown hairs, and invest in a dual light, skin-sensing powerhouse that cools your skin while permanently halting hair growth, the Ulike Air 10 is the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you're using this for your legs or tackling stubborn underarm hair first, and I will see you in the next video.